Gasping. Gasping is a term that I use to describe a unfortunate act of usually inhaling air in through your mouth or nose immediately before you're going to play an inhaling phrase. It to me is evidence of the asphyxiation reflex sabotaging your attempt to play good blues. So you may do the exhale push before you're going to go into a phrase, squeeze the air out, but before you put the harmonica in your mouth, you take a gasp of air in. Bad thing, not good. You may need the help of a teacher, or you may need to video yourself and watch carefully to see if you are gasping for air immediately before playing the harmonica and playing a phrase. Another one of the manifestations of gasping can be possibly like you might be playing a big inhale phrase, but before you go to play the exhale phrase, following it, something like this, for example. So I played this long inhaling phrase and then switched the breath direction to exhaling. But it would make no sense if I gasped in between and did this. And exhaled immediately before playing the exhale phrase. So that's another manifestation of gasping, releasing air in a unproductive direction when you're playing the harmonica, the gasp.